What's up, noob tubers? Today it's gonna be a little different. I'm not playing games, not doing anything stupid. Just gonna make a Lego build. Today's build is a Lego balisong knife or butterfly knife. This build is partly because I used to be all into balisong knives and not allowed to buy them. So I made a Lego one just to mess around with. Pieces that we're going to need are two 15-hole length Technic pieces, one 13-hole Technic piece, two of the T's I call 3x3s. We got two of those, two blue triple Technic connectors, and then two of the gray ones. And what we're going to do is take one of these T's, grab the four Technic connectors, take the blue ones, stick it in the top and bottom, and then the grays into the two sides. Next, take your 13 piece and make sure you have two holes sticking off the top, like this. And then grab your two long pieces and stick them on the gray Technic connectors. Then you'll finish it up, take the last T, stick it on, and you have a working balisong knife now. So obviously you can't cut or anything, it's just to mess around and practice tricks with. Cosmetics, you can do that if you want. I lost a couple pieces of my cosmetics. I like to go with the red and gray, partly because it's cool, and yeah, that's about it. Design yours however you like, whatever colors you like. After you do that, you will find that the Lego pieces like that will fall off over time, because I used mine way too much and clicking too much. It likes to fall off, but yeah. That's all for the video. Like, subscribe, share, whatever. I'm not gonna say it helps me a lot, because it really doesn't right now. So yeah. That's all for this build. Later.